TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. 3 hours left to go in the trading day on Thursday. Let's check in on these markets as all the major indices currently in the red. Dow Jones leading the way in negative territory, now off 195 points, trading 24,462. S&P's negative by about 16 points, trading 2750. NASDAQ negative by 60 points, trading at 7721. And the Russell negative by about 11. Trading at 1695, you've got all the indices off between about 0.6 and 0.8%. Start things off. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform. We'll start it off with the Dow 30. So we have all the indices basically approaching the lows that we made earlier in the session. We got the Dow making new lows as we speak, currently trading 24,459. You get the Dow going for its 8th consecutive day of negative closes. Pretty interesting. NASDAQ 100, there's some volatility for you. We'll zoom in there a bit. So coming down, approaching the lows that we made about 10:30. Far cry from where we were around that opening bell up there at 73.20. We're now a solid 80. Count them, 80. NASDAQ 100 points below that level, trading 72.42. S&P 500, been a little bit of a slide since the overnight session. We got a boost from about 10:30 up until 11:30, and from there we're back down approaching session lows, trading 27.53 in the S&Ps. Gold contract with volatility in both directions as well. We trade down to lows in between about 3 a.m. and almost 8 a.m. this morning of 12.64. We're now up about $6 off that price level, trading 12.70.62 in gold. Crude oil with some volatility as well. Check that out. So last night we're up there at 65.75. We trade almost $1.50 to the downside to 64.40. And now we're right back up that level, 65.68. We have the Saudis talking about maybe increasing their production ahead of OPEC tomorrow meeting. That sent the prices downwards, and we've rebounded nicely, 65.68 in crude. And natural gas, talk about volatility as well. We got the EIA inventories at 10:30 a.m. this morning. Natural gas trading at $3. Prior to that number, we saw a spike lower on the inventories to $2.98, proceeded to trade to $2.95. We're back up to about $2.97 in that natural gas July contract. Stay tuned. We have our man Steve Rhodes coming up right now, Trader's Edge. Man David White live at 2 o'clock with the Power Trading Hour. Tom O'Brien 3 to 5, and it's Thursday. We got our man Andy Hecht with the Commodities Hour live 5 till 6. Stay tuned, folks. Have a great Thursday.